Hello, welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll show you how to convert a Microsoft Word document to PDF. Many people will want this video. Let's just get started. The first thing, we have your document typed already. Then you want to save, but it's not compulsory. Just save. Then you come to file. That file, go to save as. Then this dialog will pop up. In this section, you scroll to where you see PDF. Once you click on PDF, you leave all this like this. Then you save. You have saved the document as PDF. Let me show you. So I'm in my file explorer. You can see what we saved here. What is your computer, right? Look at the icon. This PDF, and this is a document, a Microsoft Word document. So this is the PDF. In case you need the PDF format, this is the PDF format. Why this is the normal Microsoft Word document. So let me open. Now this is it. You can see that's how I do it. Convert Microsoft Word document to PDF. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, just subscribe and click the notifications bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you and God bless. See you in the next video.